Hello friends, thanks for stopping by. I hope you're all having a great day. This is going to be part 2 of my favorites, and I am going to be sharing today some skincare and some body care. It's not too much, but enough, all right? Get started. It would not be a favorites without me mentioning Bay Harbor Beauty. I absolutely love these, been talking about them for over a year. And you all know that jojoba bead honey foaming scrub eucalyptus mint is one of my most favorite body products of all time, my friends. Well, I have recently fallen in love with her body cream. It's her body butter, actually, and I love the eucalyptus mint in this. I also have it in the mimosa. But what I will say about this is it leaves your skin just so it's glistening without being greasy or anything like that. It's really, really beautiful. I don't have attractive legs. Sometimes I am forced to wear shorts here in Florida, and I will just put some of this on my legs, and I swear they look better. I swear they do. They really aren't, but they do look better. Anyway, it's the eucalyptus mint body butter. Give it a try. You'll love it. And what's really nice about it is it does have a scent, but it doesn't really last or interfere with my fragrance. So that's important to me when I'm using a body product. So I love that. And I did mention the Sake Oil Cleansing Balm. I actually did a let's try it video on it because she reformulated this. This is really a very, very nice cleansing balm. Totally removes your makeup, doesn't leave a film on the face, and it's affordable. It's right off of Etsy. Really, really nice body. This is my second one. Absolutely love it. Another cleansing that I have really loved is by Kate Somerville, and this is the Goat Milk Moisturizing Cleanser. So gentle, non-stripping of the skin. Perfect for your morning cleanse where you're not really removing anything except for the skincare the night before, or perfect for your second cleanse. It can remove makeup, but I don't like to waste it on that. I like to have it right on my skin because it really is beautiful. Let's see, other cleansings that I love. I've been talking about this one for quite a while. From Sanita's, I love the Milk and Honey Cleanser. This is beautiful. I like to use this with my Foreo or my Clarisonic. I love the smell of it. It's just perfect. It doesn't irritate my skin. It's non-drying. It's just really an all-around great cleanser. And if you're not familiar with the Sanita's brand, you can get it at Frisco Beauty. And what I've recently found out is if you are a lover of the Truth System, you may want to try some of these because Ben Fuchs was very involved in creating this line, from what I understand. Another product that I love in the Sanita's is the Vitamin C Lactic Cleanser. Now, most recently, my skin went through a big change, and it told me what it liked and what it didn't like. I cannot really use my glycolic cleansers anymore, so I have gone into lactic acid cleansers, which are gentler on my skin, and I can tolerate them. I use this a couple times a week in the shower. Sometimes I'll use it in the morning as my morning cleanse. It all depends on what I'm going to be treating my face with when I use my acids, all right? But I do like it when I use it. Another thing that I like is from Dermalogica, and this is just a hydrating mist, and I just mist it over. I'll do it right now over my makeup. Who cares? Who cares? And it smells a little bit like roses. So if you don't like that, you're not going to like this. But I like things like this. For one, they're nice just to spritz during the day. You just want to freshen up or feel alive again. But I do use it with my skincare, but I like to use it during my spa days. And with staying home, I've been doing a whole lot more of my spa days. Another thing that I really liked is this Flamingo. This was from Target, the foam shaving gel. I really like this. I got a really good shave with this, and it was very, very moisturizing. So I really loved it, and it smelled nice. I liked that. Let's see what else I have. From Bay Harbor Beauty, I finished up a retinol and quinoa eye and face serum inspired by Tammy's Ageless Beauty. Yes, it was. I really like this. Now, I don't use it all over my face. I just use it on my eyes. And I will use this first as my serum, and then I will use my eye cream. But I really, really love this. I already am on my second bottle, but I do have some other eye serums that I'm also playing with, but I do some in the morning and some at night. So if I'm not using this one at night, I'll use it in the morning and vice versa. But I'm just trying some experiments with my eyes because I'm really noticing a lot of wrinkles under the eyes. Another thing that I love, and I can't get away from, I love this, is the Kiehl butter mask for lips. I love this. Exfoliate my lips, put this on. I've gone through 3 jars of this and I have a backup already. But for a night serum, I also am enjoying from Fit Glow Beauty. This one is really nice, and I put this on in the morning. I put this one on all during the day when I don't want anything, but I need to moisturize my lips. It has a lot of nice ingredients in it. It feels really great. It feels really different on the lips, I will say that. But you all know that I absolutely love their colored lip serums. Well, this one is really nice, and I don't just keep it for night. But some nights I want to do this, and then I'll put this over it, and my lips they are nice. They are. All right, so on the days or on the nights or on any given moment when my skin becomes irritated, I always go back to this from La Roche-Posay, and this is the Toleriane Ultra. This has no fragrance in it. There's not much in the way of anti-aging or anything like that in it. It's just a good way to calm the skin down. And their Cica B5 is also, not Cica, it's B5. I can't remember the name of it. I used to use that one as well, but this one's easier for me to find, so I've been using this. Doing a lot of at-home spas. I love this one. This is from Sanita's, and it's the Cranberry Lactic Mask. This one is so good at just eating away all the dead skin and just making your skin glow. I love this. Let's see, I have a Colleen Rothschild Intense Hydrating Mask. I've been doing a lot of spa days because we've been stuck in the house. But Intense Hydrating Mask, this is a really nice mask. And another one that I like is the Summer Friday Mask. Really both great for hydrating the skin. Love my little mirror from Ricky. This is the Ricky Cutie, and it lights up for you. You can see here, and it's got a couple of different levels. This is perfect for when you just need to take a quick look at yourself. If you're out and about and you need it in your handbag at work, you need to pull out and just refreshen your lipstick. This is such a great little mirror, and it has a little finger thing that pulls out the side that you can actually hold on to it that way and just to look at yourself. And it has a little stand if you wanted to stand it up, like, you know, you're out or something dancing and you need to refresh. I don't know. I don't use it for any of those. I carry it in my handbag. It has a little slide, a little case that it slides into, and I carry it. And this is how I do a touch-up if I need one, or to see how badly the lip lines are bleeding. But I'm telling you, this lipstick formula does not bleed on me, and it's House of Sillage. It doesn't. All right, and okay, so mask, because I've been doing a ton of them. These are from Whole Foods, and the next time you're in a Whole Foods, I want you to pick one of these up and try it. I think they're like $6 or $7, something like that, but they are really nice masks. And this is the Hydrating Coconut Mask, but I've used some of the other flavors, formulas, and they're all very nice. So take a peek at those because they're really nice. Now, these should have been in my makeup one, but they weren't. I recently purchased these, and I'm not a Chanel girl. You all know that. I mean, I do have some Chanel things, but I'm not madly in love with it like many people are. And that's okay because I'm madly in love with other things. But I bought 2 of their reformulated lip liners, and these 2 I love, but one in particular is just spectacular, and I have it on now. It is the Rose Natural. This is a beautiful, beautiful lip liner, just gorgeous. I absolutely love the shade right there. It's beautiful. It's just beautiful. And the other one that I picked up that I really like is Nude Brun. And this one is just a little bit warmer. You can see the difference. That's the Brun, and this is the Rose. But I love them, absolutely love them. And that is it for my favorites today. Let me know in the comments what have become some of your favorites. Did you dig in your stash and rekindle an old romance? I mean, it's amazing what I'm pulling out now and thinking, why haven't I used this in so long? And it's because I have a YouTube channel and because I'm always trying new things and wanting to bring you the latest and the greatest. But sometimes our cabinets have the latest and the greatest sitting there waiting for us to go back to them. All right, my friends, if you have not already subscribed, I would love to have you as an Ageless Beauty. So hit that subscribe button, and the bell's right next to it that notifies you of all the videos that I'm putting out. Until the next time, my friends, go out in the world and be happy, healthy, beautiful, and most of all, my friends, lovable. I love you all. Bisous.